The Ford Explorer EV, introduced in 2023, features power-adjustable and foldable side mirrors designed for safety and convenience. These mirrors provide optimal visibility and integrate with advanced driver assistance systems and key fob controls. Locate the mirror adjustment controls on the driver's door panel. A rocker switch allows you to select either the left or right mirror. Tilting the switch adjusts the mirror's position up, down, and left, right, allowing precise positioning to minimize blind spots. Proper positioning ensures a 3 to 5 meter or 10 to 15 foot overlap with the inside rear view mirror. Adjust the mirrors so you can barely see the side of your car in the inside edge of the mirror. This minimizes blind spots by maximizing the visible area to the sides. The Ford Explorer EV mirrors can be folded inwards for parking convenience and aerodynamics. The mirror settings integrate seamlessly with the Ford Explorer EV's Sync 4 system. This allows the mirrors to link directly to driver profiles, storing personalized positions for up to 2 drivers. The system remembers up to 2 mirror positions per driver, automatically adjusting when you switch profiles. This ensures optimal viewing angles for different drivers. Some models include auto tilt functionality in reverse gear, tilting the mirrors downward to help you see curbs and obstacles when parking. Over-the-air software updates continually improve mirror calibration, especially for integration with advanced driver assistance systems like blind spot monitoring. Early adopters have reported slow mirror motor response in cold weather below 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Ford recommends manual recalibration using the door switch in such cases. If mirrors become misaligned after a software update, simply repeat the adjustment process using the door switch. The automotive industry is rapidly evolving toward autonomous mirror adjustment and camera-based mirror systems. While the Ford Explorer EV currently uses traditional power mirrors, future models are likely to incorporate augmented reality overlays for enhanced blind spot alerts and AI-driven adjustments that adapt in real time. Traditional mirrors, like those in the Explorer EV, provide reliable visibility but require manual adjustment. Industry experts predict that by 2030, digital mirrors could replace physical ones in many vehicles, offering clearer views without blind spots. Augmented reality overlays will display virtual alerts directly in the mirror, warning drivers of approaching vehicles or obstacles. This technology integrates with advanced driver assistance systems for improved safety. For electric vehicles like future Ford models, auto-folding mirrors are becoming essential. They reduce aerodynamic drag, improving range by up to 1 to 2% through better efficiency, especially at highway speeds. Ford's partnerships in autonomous technology suggest that AI could eventually handle all mirror adjustments automatically, making manual controls obsolete in fully autonomous EVs. Proper mirror adjustment is crucial for safety, reducing blind spot accidents by 20%. This is especially important in electric vehicles like the Ford Explorer EV, where silent operation makes it harder to detect approaching vehicles. Mirrors must be properly calibrated, especially after software updates, to prevent conflicts with advanced driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring. Safety experts strongly recommend professional calibration after any software updates to ensure optimal performance and safety. Always position mirrors to eliminate blind spots while maintaining proper overlap with the interior mirror. For complete safety guidelines and the latest updates on blind spot detection technology, always refer to your Ford Explorer EV Owner's Manual.